All right, we have come to the end of this row with our color red. So this is the last double crochet. So this time around we're going to join on top of the first double crochet with a slip stitch. So having done that, what we're going to do, we're going to do what is called back post front post. I think I have taught us about that before. So what you need to do is chain 2, do a front post, double crochet, this is the back loop, back post, sorry, front post, back post. So you meet me at the end of the row. All right, so we're back at the end of this row, last front post, double crochet. So what we are going to do is that we're going to do our slip stitch right on top of our first double crochet. So we're going to chain 2 again, then we'll do the same thing we did in the last row. First post, front post, then back post, front post on front post, we'll do back post on back post, that will meet at the end. Okay, as you can see, we are through with the edge of the beanie. You can see it looks very beautiful, but if you look at this place, we have this kind of edge here, this kind of thing. If you want it to be like this, you don't want the edge to be like this, you can actually do a single crochet around, that's from the beginning here till you get to the end here. It all depends on you, but I think I prefer this like this. It's okay for me like this. So this one will size a newborn 1 month, like 0 to 2 months. So like I said, I'm going to teach you how to do the measurements later, because this from this place to this place matters, depends on the age. Then your flat head, you must know the what do you call this now, the diameter of the flat head. Is the diameter of the flat head that actually determines the size of your head. So if the diameter, if you don't get the diameter of the flat head, that is the size of your head, there's probability that your cap you're making will not be the size of your head. So this is how to make a beanie. I hope you like it. It's very beautiful. So next time I'm going to teach you how to make pom-pom and attach it on the top of the beanie. God bless you.